Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss how to become a coder, step by step guide for beginners. So let's start. Coding is an interactive career choice for several reasons. First off, coders are in high demand, the result of an ongoing shortage of talent in the industry. So if you are a coder with strong fundamentals and some have some experience, it's easy to land a job. And coding is an exciting career choice, as being a coder puts you at the center of ongoing digital revolution. If you want to become a coder, there is no shortage of learning materials, but with the wealth of resources available, it can be difficult to know where to start. If that's where you find yourself, then keep reading. We are going to tell you what it means to be a coder, how you can learn programming from scratch, and the different kinds of roles the coders have in software companies. So, what is coding? Coding is a process of telling computer what to do and how you want it done. With code, you can build native application, websites, or anything you envision. The coding process usually starts with a problem statement. Maybe you want to analyze your favorite basketball players, states in season, or build a website where you can post the art that you make. Those are just a couple of examples of problems that you can solve using code. See here why coding is hard to learn for some people. Having chosen your problem statement, you can then look for a solution. Coders usually start by writing algorithms, a sequence of steps that computer needs to follow to solve problem. Once you have written an algorithms, you can translate this into computer code using your preferred programming language. What does a coder do? Coders do more than just write code. They also chalk out software architectures, test systems, and debug code. Here are some of the things that coders do on a daily basis. Conceptualize software architecture to build the systems that solve a particular problem. Produce a specification for a software project. Write algorithms and press pseudocode to depict the logical flow of a program. Write code and implement the software systems. Test software systems, perform code reviews, and debug code. Analyze the performance of software program and recommended optimization. Build databases that make it easy to store retrieve data. Study systems from a security perspective and implement measures like firewall and authorization levels. 10 steps to become a coder. The first one is reflect on your interest. Through coding has become sometimes of recent fad. It's important to reflect on your own personal person for writing to become a coder. Think about why you are interested in programming and what aspects of it you feel most passionately about. This will save your time and energy down the road. A lot of coders stumble into a discipline and then look for courses and job random. But if you can articulate why you are pursuing a career in software and what you like about it, you will find yourself making better, more decisive choices later on. The next one is the meets education requirements. Nowadays, you don't have to go to colleague to learn how to code. Most companies will hire individuals on the basis of online courses they have completed or projects that they have built themselves. There are, however, certain areas within the software industry where it helps to have more thread and tails. If you are looking for work as a data scientist, for example, then it will help a degree in a computer science or a mathematics field. There are certain jobs in network and cybersecurity in which you need to be certified to land a job. There isn't a one size fits all answer for job requirements in software industry. Comp listening in your field and talk the required to learn what prestiges are needed. Figure out the mode of learning. There are a few different ways to become a coder. Let's look at the options and what each entails. Degree. Wait a minute. Okay. Degree. Earning a college degree is the most rigorous and intensive way to get software application to expose you to broad range of topic and gives you the ability to learn in person and among your peers, but it can be costly and in time intensive. Bootstrap or courses online offline. Bootstrap are a great alternative to colleague degree. Coding bootstraps offer many of the benefits as a degree program, but a much lower price. Many bootstraps offer money back guarantee after you successfully complete the bootstrap. Self-learning. If you think of yourself as outdated, then you can take the coding journey all on your own. You take advantages of books, YouTube channels, and free courses to pick up programming skills. Self-learning is the most economical option, and you can proceed at your own pace. But if you are decide to learn programming in this way, it can be difficult to know if you are on the right learning path. Acquire coding skills. Uh, let's review some of the most popular programming language. Pick that one that's right for you. HTML and CSS are a language you needed to know to basic web pages. The HTML definition defines the structure of page and CSS lets you design an element. Java is known as a write once, run anywhere programming language. This means that you can write code in Java that works across mm, the operating system. You can use it because it builds everything from mobile games to software application. JavaScript is a highly deserved reputation as being programming languages for the web, as it can be used to build both front-end and back-end application. Python is popular both because of its initial syntax and versatility. You can use Python to build powerful deep learning models or something as simple as a website. C++ is widely because of its multi-threading capabilities, which allows programming to use the software development approach of the choice, whether that object-oriented and procedural programming. Swift is a programming language of the Apple ecosystem, which with it you can build application for macOS, watchOS, and all of the Apple programs. By learning Swift, you access all your software infrastructure and libraries that the company makes available to these developers. So that's all for today. See you in the next videos. Bye.